What's up, guys? My name's Kyle. I'm the service manager for Our Place Air and Home Repair. We started back in 2017, and we're quickly taking over Central Florida. For good reason. We are a 5-star company. We have thousands of 5-star reviews on Google. Check us out. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of doing a proper maintenance on your system. We are now running a campaign called Beat the Heat, where we perform a comprehensive 35-point inspection. I want to explain to you what some of these things entail. We are not the company to come in, check stuff, give you a good report, and say, see you later. We are going to perform a real maintenance on your system. Some of the key things that these involve are making sure that the outdoor unit is cleaned thoroughly. This is the heart of your system. This condenser needs to breathe properly so that you can achieve the efficiency and comfort level that you're asking out of your whole home comfort system. Furthermore, there's many sources of service calls in Florida due to our humidity, our excessive run times. Our highly trained technicians are able to pinpoint any areas that may be out of manufacturer specifications, at which point we can bring them to your attention and prevent them before they become a problem, right? On top of that, our technicians also undergo a rigorous training course in airflow and insulation and the importance of that, what that does to the health of your family. These machines, guys, they need to breathe. They have to breathe properly. It's just like a human body. When they cannot breathe, their heart rate starts going up, right? When that happens, although it can do it, you're not going to live as long as you would as someone healthy that has a great blood pressure, if you will, right? So with that being said, when you have issues in your airflow, it can all trickle back to contaminants in your home. That will derive into what we call microbial growth. You also have particulates, so all the stuff that you can see in your house, right? This is typically captured at your filter. So hopefully you guys are changing your filters on a good schedule because, you know, there's different lives for different types of filters. Also, other contaminants in the systems are what we call VOCs. This is a volatile organic compound. What these are the things that you can smell. So your candles, you probably didn't know candles are a VOC. Air fresheners, household cleaning products, all of the things of that nature are VOCs. Now, with those three things in mind, there's no one product that can eliminate all three. But we want to find what's causing it and fix it. We don't just want to always just clean stuff, you know, if it needs to be fixed. So yes, our technicians are going to go into your attic. We're going to make sure that your ductwork is properly sized. We're going to make sure that you have adequate insulation. Let me explain to you the importance of insulation. Okay, the more insulation you have is like the blanket on your home. It's going to allow your AC or heating to stay inside of the house instead of escaping into the attic. What this does for your whole home comfort system is it allows it to take a break. Now, what do you think is going to happen to your power bill when your AC stays off for a longer period of time? It's going to go down. This is also going to decrease the wear and tear on the system. Having all of these things in mind, guys, it's important to have a company that knows about all three of these things: your ductwork, your insulation, and your whole home comfort system. All of these things are included in our maintenance with the Beat the Heat program that we're launching this summer. As we're going into summer, I just wanted to get you guys some information on what to expect on a proper maintenance. On our maintenances, we are also going to make sure that the indoor coil is sanitized. Again, we're going to remediate your drain lines. We're going to flush those out so we can prevent any service calls derived from excessive humidity or moisture in the system. And furthermore, our technicians are going to educate you. They're going to show you the why behind everything. We're going to show you how it works, what to look for as a homeowner, right? The most important thing a homeowner can do is change your filter. It all starts there. That is the most important contaminant in your system. So make sure you guys stay on top of that. Get us out there. Let us do a good cleaning for you guys. I appreciate your time.